So in this video we will learn that before creating a pivot table what we can do is there are few best practices that we can do before creating a professional stunning pivot table. Okay, so what we will do is, suppose this is my data range, it is not converted into a table, so that thing I will do. So this is my details, like employee ID is there, employee name is there, sales region is there, then the order number, order date, order type, customer type, and all these things are done, total order, all these things are there. So before creating a pivot table, my first work will be I need to convert into this range, this data into a pivot table, into a table only. So how I will do, I will click inside the range and I will press Ctrl E or Ctrl T. So Ctrl L or Ctrl T. So here whenever I have clicked it, so see automatically it has taken the range. Okay, so automatically it has taken the range. We need to check whether any blank row or any blank columns are there or not. So we need to identify that thing as well. So now automatically it has taken the range. Okay, so now I will press OK. So now here whenever I have converted my data into a table, so it is coming like this way. Okay, so what we can do is we can remove the filter button. So we are removing the filter button, so it is gone. And again we can design the filter, we can design our table as well. We can change the color, we can change any other color are also there. So let me check, any other colors are also there, maybe this color. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, so this thing we can do. Okay, so now my table, my range, my detail has been converted into a table. Okay, so this is one thing. Another one thing what you can do is see here, one more cool thing we can identify. See, whenever we will add any new data, automatically it will come under the table only. So we are not supposed to worry about that thing. So whenever I will add anything, automatically it will come under the same table. So what we can do is, again we will go to table design, there we will modify the table name. It will be easy to identify. So I will say state wise cell. So state wise cell, total order. State wise total order. Okay, let me put it capital. Okay, enter. Now my table has been saved. Okay, so here another thing you can find out. Suppose I will go here inside table design. If I select the total row, that means the value will be, my total value will be counted, total order amount will be counted. Let me go here, convert into a price. Okay, so now this is my total order price. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go in table, then I will select the total row and see here the total amount will come. Let me check. See, the total amount is it has given me. So if you don't convert your data into a table, these features you will not get. Okay, so here it is. So now our data is fully ready to convert into a pivot table. So in the next video I will show you how we can do it, how we can convert it into a pivot table. Okay, so in this video we have learned how we can convert our data into a table, and the new features like total we can get it at the same page, and then the table name also. So this is the thing. And one more thing we need to check whenever we are converting into the data into table, so any blank cell, any blank row or any blank columns are there or not. So if we have, so we need to find it out and we can check it. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how we can convert it into a how we can create a pivot table. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video.